We are now in Albania, and this is what $30 a night can get you in the capital city of Tirana. So this is our foyer with lots and lots of storage. This here is where you can store your shoes. And our bathroom, so it comes with a washing machine. Toilets, newbie in Europe here, not sure how that works. Please tell me, because I know how to use the bidets in Asia. No idea how to use this little thing over here. Shower. Mirror, and even more storage. And then we have the bedroom. You got a little vanity here. This is a queen size bed. It was comfortable, besides the fact that the mattress was kind of at like an angle, but otherwise it was comfortable. Okay, these Albanians know how to make great use of the space because there's more storage, all of this up here storage, than I know what to do with. More storage, closet, so much storage. And then you have a TV, that one we never turned on. Aircon number 1, a desk, so if you work, you could work from here. Wi-Fi speeds were incredible. It was a download of 97 and upload of 26. You've got the balcony out here, which I'll show in a minute. And then the living room. This couch, super comfortable. Anthony is over 6 foot and fit on it comfortably. Got a TV out here. This was a smart TV, so you could watch Netflix, YouTube. You can get on the internet from there. Aircon number 2. Again, more and more storage. This is awesome. So we have a full-size refrigerator and freezer. Little table here. We actually have a dishwasher. Look at this thing. I think that's our first time having a dishwasher in a place that we have booked. So you got an oven. We never used the oven, but we definitely did use the stove. And again, look at all this space for storage. And this is something we noticed in Georgia as well as here, is that this is right above the sink. So if you do dishes by hand, you don't have to worry about like drying them right away. They just go up here, and that's one where they dry. There's a little tray here to catch the water, but then also that's also just where they store it. So convenient and efficient. And then the balcony. So we've noticed a lot of balconies here, unlike Georgia, actually have awnings. And then we have our laundry, drying rack, whatever you want to call it. And then look at these views. Oh my gosh. Those mountains. Okay. In here, you can't really tell. They're freaking massive. They are so big. And then this also leads back into the bedroom. So we are in the student area. I don't really know how to pronounce it because we only got here like 5 days ago. But it's where all the students live. It's near, so we're right next door to the Albania and Montenegro Peace Corps. It's like I don't know, 200 meters maybe away from the U.S. Embassy. We also saw the Swedish Embassy, the Chinese Embassy. So this is definitely, we're in that part of town. It's not that far to walk to the Grand Park of Tirana, which is awesome. It is so cool. You have to go there. So this place was awesome. I definitely wish we could stay longer. Unfortunately, someone booked it right after us before we could extend, but I would definitely come back here 100%. So as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know how the heck to use that additional toilet in there. In the next video, I'll be right here in 3, 2, 1.